Hello Abracadabra NYC, this is Jules, and today we're going to show you how to use alcohol-activated makeup to turn yourself into the creature from the 2025 Frankenstein film. First, Joey's going to block his brows with a purple glue stick. Really go back and forth to get the glue deep in your brows and then firmly smooth it out with a spoolie brush. Once that's done, powder them and go over it again with a glue stick to fill the gaps. Keep repeating this until your brows are dry and smooth. Now he's going to color conceal them using a more orangey tone to cancel out those blue undertones of his eyebrows. After which he covers that with a color tone that matches the lightness level of his skin. Now, with red and a small brush, he starts lining out the fragments of the face pieces that Dr. Frankenstein stitched together. This will give you a kind of paint by numbers guide to where to put your colors. Start in these regions with a yellowish pale color. Once that's done, fill in these sections with an off-white. Add in a little bit of pale blue for contrast. Then add some darker grey in this cheek area here. After that, stipple some off-white on the jaw below it thusly. Next step is the shading. Add some shadowing to the top of the darker grey cheek portion. Then accentuate the brow region and cheekbones with some eyeshadow. Once you've done that, go back into the darker red and retrace your jigsaw puzzle of a face. And finally, adjust your long, dark, flowing hair if you have any. Add a little streak, and you are done.